It's given me a level of confidence that I can say and do certain things that will not be, retaliated against. I also feel that the UHPA has given me opportunities to become a leader, both for my own faculty units as well as for my campus over time. And more recently, as a member of several bargaining teams, the opportunity to represent all our members at a table and having a discussion that obviously impacts us in terms of our ability to do our work with a modicum of confidence that we're not going to be undercut at every step by over anxious, over eager administrators, to some degree, outside elements, and gives us an ability to provide, however minimum, a minimum standard of wages and security for everyone. It's not ideal, but we continue to work to try to achieve better and improve situations for both individual groups of members as well as for our collective membership.